Hello guys, once again, your DIYer house husband here. So I just want to share how I replace my bulbs, especially here, the instrument panel bulbs and the other dashboard lights. So I was able to replace this one. These are actually LED and it's quite pleasing to the eye during night travels. And we also have this one, the aircon panels, and the bulbs here. This is the cigarette lighter, and we have the coin holder or the ashtray holder. So you will be needing a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver here, flathead screwdriver, and then a tool like this, or if you can pry the dashboard by your hand, then you can do that one also. Okay, so we have two screwdrivers, one Phillips and one flathead screwdriver. And then you'll be needing this bulb, T10 bulb. This is T10, and be sure that your bulb is dimmable, because in some cases T10 bulbs are not dimmable. So make sure that it is dimmable. And I also used T5 bulbs, and again, it is also dimmable. So the first thing to do in prying the the dashboard panel out is you need to adjust first your work area. So we will be adjusting actually this one, the steering wheel, so that you'll be able to have space here. Okay, so to adjust it, you have, let me show you, I think this is the lock of the steering wheel. So you just pull it down. Okay, and then the steering wheel will be moving up and down. Okay, so this one is already down. You can actually have it up. So it's moving up and down. Since I want to have more space here, so I'll be moving my steering wheel down, and then I'll be putting the lock back. Okay, okay, and then we will be removing the screws here. We have two screws here, one here and one on the left side. So I already did remove the screws, so just remove it. Okay, and then so after removing the screws, we will be removing the switches, the knobs. Okay, so we will be removing this one by using the flathead. So just go around on how are you going to remove it, maybe like this. Okay, so be careful not to damage the plastic or the hardboard, the dashboard. Okay, then this one also, just pry it out. The this is the dimmer. Actually, my dimmer is loose, so I don't need to use the flathead screwdriver. And then we have a clip here that you can push, and then you can actually remove the dimmer. Okay, and then this one, this switch here, you just pry it out, and be careful, of course, because you might damage the part. You can use actually a cloth. You cover the tip of this one, and then you push it. Okay, so just go around. Okay, and that's it. Since this one is small, then I'll just put it inside. Okay, and don't forget to remove the plugs or the wires of your switches. You can take a photo of it so that you will not get lost in returning it. But in my case, my fog light is only a positive and a negative. So usually if it is a 5-pin switch, the middle one is the positive. I'll just remove it. I'll remove this one also. Keep the switch aside, and also this one. This is my lower fog light switch. I just know that this is actually the blue, red, and the earth. So this is the ground for my LED bulb here. So if you switch it, the bulb here will. Okay, so let's just remove the connections and be careful, because your positive and negative might touch each other, and it will cause short circuit. Okay, and that's it. So we remove all the connections of the switches. We can now remove this one. So to remove it, you can start anywhere. You can start here, or here on the left side, or the right side. So I'll try maybe this one. Okay. Okay. And then just follow along the line. You just slowly pull it. Okay. Slowly pull this one. Pull this one. It's kind of hard. Okay. 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 And then don't forget to remove the connection here inside here. So let me just show you if is it visible. So this one, you just pinch the bottom. I think there is soft something here. Just pinch it and then pull it. Same with the other one. Pinch it and then you pull it. And then of course, take your panel aside. Okay, so this is the one that I was talking about a while ago, that you will be pinching. So this one, and for the other harness here, this part. Okay, so that's how you're going to remove the dash panel to change your bulbs for the instrument panel. So I'll be cutting this video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to change the bulbs of your instrument panel.